somebody's in their man cave. It's 9:07 a.m. I've been up since probably like around a little before 8 o'clock. My body just does that automatically. I'm just up. Yeah, so I uploaded yesterday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I explained Friday why I didn't vlog Thursday. And then today's Saturday, so it's gonna be a somewhat chill day. I don't really want to head out anywhere. I think I'm gonna go on Amazon.com because I already put it in my cart, but I said last night that the girl at Sally said they're discontinuing that face secret stuff, so I'm just going to order a few of them online. They're like $4 and some change, so I'm definitely going to order like 4 or 5 of them and some oatmeal. All right, you guys, I'm trying to figure out my life right now. I feel, you know how you feel like you're forgetting something? I know I am. Oh, and I am gonna wash my brushes today. I took them out and put them on the table right here so that I know I need to clean my brushes because they are very filthy. So probably do some light cleaning, take out the trash. Saturdays are my cleaning days. So all right, I will see you guys later. All these brushes were hella dirty, especially this one right here. So usually what I do is just take all the brushes out that I use, which is the majority of them. And I just lay them out, and then I grab them sometimes in groups, or if they're big fluffy brushes, one by one. Sorry, Devin's screaming in the background because he's playing video games in his man cave. I just take this, gosh, they are all so dirty. I have not washed them in a long time. I'm so embarrassed. That is it. And then use, of course, this one, and these two. So literally what I do is just use baby shampoo. I get it at Ross, and then I just wash it in the sink over here. Pretty much. End result of all the brushes being clean and laid out to dry. Usually through midday, I'll like take a brush and just like do this, just kind of fluff it and help it kind of dry a little faster. And then these are the remaining brushes that are like cleaning. I did throw out 3 small ones that I just never used. I think I might throw this one out too. I don't even use this one at all. But end result, right?
Garage. Heading off to some fancy university. My mom can't bear to see her baby leave, so she packs us up for one last week together at Virginia Beach.
So as you've seen, I made some, I call it schlop. Schlop being like a bunch of food in a crock pot. I'm not a crock pot person, which is funny because I have 2 crock pots that, oh look, a pimple. I'm a unicorn. 2 crock pots that my mother-in-law gave me. I have another one. The first one I don't know. Oh wait, it's in the kitchen, but it's stored on the bottom. I'm losing my mind. The second one is the one I used. I used the crock pot and made my schlop. So what I did was I chopped up, how many potatoes? 4 little mini yellow potatoes. Chopped them up. Threw in 1 can of chicken noodle soup and 2 boxes of rice-a-roni, the chicken, but a low sodium one. Put the seasoning in there, poured some water in there. I let it sit in a crock pot for maybe 2.5 to 3 hours. It was really good. My schlop was good. What my mom would call it is goulash, but she does something different. She doesn't do it in a crock pot, but I call it my schlop. So that, it was pretty good. I'm actually really full from it. But now I'm gonna go take a shower and have another pimple. I can feel it like right down here. Yeah, it's like right in here. I can feel it. But anyhow, we've been watching movies all day on Netflix or Fire Stick, one of them. Don't ask me. He does all that stuff. And my diffuser's on over here. That's my little oil diffuser. I have a lemon scent going right now. I had vanilla and pear earlier, which is a good combination. Vanilla and lavender is a good pair in the diffuser. I don't know if you guys ever noticed, like right here, this is like my little dedication section. This is my side table. So right here is, of course, my godmom who passed away this year of cancer. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oop, where am I going? Yeah, these are pictures. And then my dad's up here. Me and my dad, my mom and my dad down here. And my mom. But yeah, that's my little section right there. I actually look at it almost every night before I go to bed. Just think about them sometimes, you know. But yeah, I'm about to go take a shower and wash these oily ass pimples. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I just wiped this down. Oh my god, it's still dirty on here. Goodness. I'm trying to figure out what I can do with this mirror, because every morning I get ready, I put it over here, and it's just like it's not working. So I'm thinking of taking this whole thing out here, but it's like, where can I put this? I might have to move this stuff somewhere else, probably on top of here, and clear all that crap out, move things around so I can put the mirror right in front here. I'm gonna reorganize this real quick. This looks so much better. So I took out the little jewelry thing that I had here. It was like a little purple plastic thing. Put that in the office. Threw out a couple of things that I did not need up here. And then just move the mirror here. There is a cord here, but I am gonna keep it here because this is to like charge it, because the outlet's down here. So I have all my stuff here. And then, just knocking stuff over. But this is a perfume from L'Occitane that Linda gave me. It's a sample. I actually really like this. It's like a warm, cozy smell. Has like a citrus scent. You can say it's citrusy kind of scent to it. Here we go. Ta-da! And I organized this drawer for right now. These are all my palettes that couldn't fit up there. I actually downsized quite a bit. Can't even open this one because if I pull this, this comes off. I don't think I've tightened it enough. But this is like hair accessories and other little knickknacks. My brush and my makeup wipes and a little bit of like jewelry in there. Those are like my nice stuff. So yeah, it's all nice and clean now. But who knows, this organization will be tossed around during the week, and I'll clean it on the weekends as usual. But yeah, I'm thinking after I'm done with this, I'm gonna do the Maybelline foundation that is the dupe for that, just because that is so pricey. NARS is expensive, and they test on animals now because they sell in China, and China was like, yeah, test on animals and then we'll sell your product. And I'm like, And if you're wondering what this is back here, this is from Thailand when we were out there about 2 years ago. This is actually not a medicine for bug bites. I thought it was, but it's more for headaches, because if you smell it, it helps. It has like the mentholy stuff in it. But yeah, just something to keep for memory. Hey y'all, I'm just gonna end it right here. There's really nothing else to record, and I'm getting kind of sleepy. It's like a little after 9 o'clock, I think. I don't know, but I'm watching like other people's vlogs. Excuse me. I watch other people's vlogs right now, seeing what they're up to. But see, it seems like let me lower my TV. It's like people that vlog work from home, so they have more time to actually vlog, versus when you're someone that works 9 to 5 Monday through Friday. So I'm just gonna end it here, but we pretty much just watched a lot of movies, and I did a little bit of cleaning this morning. I didn't go anywhere, and I think I did order, what did I order? Oh, something for my desk at work, just like a little decoration. It's a energy, like it's a crystal thing, so like I'm into like crystals. I've always been into them, but more recently now that I'm older and I can buy the stuff like that. But I have one to put on my desk for work, and then I got a bunch of those like Buddhist beads, and I think they're coming in on Tuesday. I think so. They're super cheap, super cheap, super cheap, super cheap. And I had it within my budget to just get a few little knickknacks, but yeah, I'm calling it a night. I am sleepy. I finished watching these vlogs. This pimple really hurts. I should probably put some medicine on my face. It's like really... Well, I have a mask on right now. Like, it's an overnight mask. And it's already peeling, but like, you're supposed to wipe your face the next day, but it's already peeling. But anywho, I'm going to bed. Night.